Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here is a ta-da clip video that I have gathered with a couple of clips. I finally finished this cardigan. I started this, I can't remember, last year, beginning of 2023. I am not sure, but I did do a tutorial on how to knit that collar, so if you're interested, go and check it out. The yarns that I have used are hand spun yarn, which I spun way back in when I learned how to spin yarn. I started with a spindle, I believe this, and then I bought my Ashford spinning wheel. So I think there was about 2 pounds of this variegated merino fiber that I have spun to 1 ply. And it was about 4 weight, and I added the merino wool that I have spun as well. It is super soft. I put it on sale for on my Etsy shop, so it's ready to go. Here you saw that I'm wearing it. I'm a 3 extra large, but I think I'm down to 2 extra large. I'm not quite sure. And I am 5'9", and you saw it on a mannequin, which is a medium size. So I hope you like this. Ta-da! Me dancing here, UPIO. One whip is finished and others to go. And here I am knitting. You guys take care. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye. Happy holidays.